Hello friends, my name is Naeem and in this video I'm gonna make another interesting title slide. So before we move to our today's video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it and let's move. I'm using PowerPoint 2019. Here I have already opened a PowerPoint presentation and I'm using a preset of some colors here, which I'll mix it up and make some gradient effects. So let's start our today's video. Let's press this button home and I'm going to select this rounded corner rectangle and I will draw it here. I'll make it a little bit like more rounded shape. Okay, that looks fine, and I'll remove the outline and I'll go back to the shapes section and I will select this shape and let's fill black color for now and place it here. And I will just increase the size a little bit and I'll remove the outline from here. Okay, so we'll make another copy. This time I'll make it a small one and I'll place it here. So I'll make another copy and I'll place it here and I will turn it to this side. So one more copy for this side. This time I'll make it slightly smaller than the first one, and just for time being I'll make it a little bit transparent so I can see where exactly these shapes are placed. And I think I'll make it slightly more smaller. Reduce the size a little bit. Okay. So the next step, I'm going to shapes section and I'll select this hollow circle and I will draw it here by pressing the shift key, and with this orange bubble I'm reducing the size a little bit and I will place it here, and I'll remove the outline from here. No outline. And I will place one for this side and I'll keep this on the top, bring it to front. Okay, so this looks, we have a structure. Let's fill the color in all of these shapes. I'll select this first and I'll remove this transparency effect and I will go to gradient fill. So this is I have by default, but I'm gonna change it. I'm selecting this one and I'll go to more color and I'll select this eyedropper and I'll have this color here. On the left side with eyedropper I'm going to fill a kind of, okay, maybe I'll go back and I'll select this color. So let me make it in a way like one side is lighter and one side is darker. So this looks kind of okay. So I'll fill color gradient fill here as well. So but for this side I'm gonna change it to slightly different color. Okay, we'll fill the same thing this side. Sorry, select gradient fill, and I want this side to be visible on this side, so let's rotate it for now. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to fill gradient color here, and definitely I need to change. Let me fill this one and this one. So let me change a little bit. Okay, this looks fine. Gradient fill here and gradient fill here, and also gradient fill here. So I'll just adjust a little bit. So guys, our main structure is ready, as you can see. So there is something more that you can see. This shape is out of the slide, this side as well, and here as well, and this side as well. So if you want to keep it, you can keep as it is. If you see it in a full slide mode, you see how it look like. If you wanna go ahead and wanna crop it, there is an option that you can crop it, but if you wish, you can do it. Let me do it quickly. And so we need to do one by one. Select this object first, and second this one, and do the subtract. So let's do it to this side. I'll select this first and second. This one, and the second this one. Format and subtract. So let's do it here. Okay, let's have a look in a full slide mode how it look like now. Okay, this is how it look like now. Let's fill the text. Okay, so I have used this kind of fonts. You can go ahead and choose your own fonts, but this is the main theme of title slide. Let's have a look the final result. Okay, so we are done with today's tutorial. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section, and let's see you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.